Hello everybody, it's Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs. Today I have an unboxing for Sam's Bead box for August 2024 and it's called Citrus Celebration. So if you'd like to see what's in this box, then just keep on watching. So when I heard the title of the box, I wasn't sure what to expect, but when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so something that I would put together. I love the colors so much, and I think this is a collaboration with Deb Floros, and every time I've seen her on videos, she just seems so like lively and bubbly, and so I'm just so excited to get through this box. So these are all of our items. Look at all those items that we get, and look at the cute little citrus around there. So let's just get started. First item is a check glass starburst flower in juicy orange, 12.5 millimeter, and this is an 8-piece strand. And for those of you who hate orange, this is a very, very good orange. I love orange, but this one is one that is not scary to use at all, and it's just beautiful with that little wash of gold on top. Next, we have a strand of citrine smooth rounds. They're heated, they're 6.5 millimeter, and you get a 4.75 inch strand. And I love citrine. I'm really into gemstones right now, but look at how pretty these are. They're so cute. Let's get a little tray here so you can see the color. See that color mixed throughout. And once you see the rest of this box, these are just gonna go perfectly with this box. Next, we have a peridot faceted round grade A, and these are about 3 millimeters. And the micro faceting on these, see if I can get a good picture for you. The micro faceting on these is so insane. They're so beautiful. And this nice little peridot green color is so approachable for any designer. It could almost be used as a neutral, in my opinion. I just love those. Okay, these make me so happy. Look at these. This is a check glass fire polish round citrus AB mix, 6 millimeter, 21-piece strand. And if they have extras of these, I'm gonna have to get these because are you seeing lemon? Are you seeing lime? Are you seeing grapefruit? Look! And I love that it's AB on one side, so you kind of get like dimension in these. These are so shiny and pretty and beautiful. Even the yellow is a tame yellow. It's like a very pleasant yellow. It's not like, you know, obnoxious in your face like I would be, you know. Oh, look at those. This is my favorite strand so far. Okay, I literally spoke too soon because if you've been around the channel for a while, you know how much I love melons, but these are carnelian carved pumpkin rondelles, heated 7 to 8 by 11 to 12 millimeter, and there's an 8-piece strand here, and I got quite a variety of tones here on mine. Hopefully you can see that kind of peeking through, but I got kind of like light to dark here with a bunch of like nice little inclusions on the beads. And I just love these tones so much. When I zoom out, I'll talk about it, but it's really giving me like a 70s vibe. And y'all know I was supposed to be growing up in the 70s because the colors there, just my favorite. I love these so much. Next, we have a check glass petal brio ruby red grapefruit mix, 6 by 8 millimeters, and you get 22 inches on here. And look at that perfect little juicy ruby red fruit color mixed with the white. It kind of brings out like the pith of the citrus fruit in there with that white. And that's a stunning bead as well. It gives it a nice little texture mix up with the brios. Next, we have a check glass melon. This is an orange crystal mix with a gold splash on it. Not a gold splash, a gold wash on it. And these are 8 millimeters and you get 14 pieces. And look how cute those are. Again, they're going with all the other beads in the box. And look at the orange that is like mixed through in the glass. I love that little dimension. These are really special. Again, we're bringing more of that like pith element And this is a check glass daisy spacer in white silk luster, and this is a 5mm 62-piece strand, and these are just going to be great to put in between your beads here, just to give it a little bit of separation and definition. Look at these precious little cuties. These are check glass fire polish drop lemonade AB mix in a 5.5 by 8mm 12-piece strand. And these are so cute. They're like little baby versions of citrus. Very pastel, but also like with that AB, it's like really nice. Look at those. Those are really cute as well. And it looks like you get 4 of each color, which is really nice. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are fire polish rounds, citrus bounty mix, 4mm. So we got our grapefruit, we got our lemon, we got our orange, we got our lime. I'm loving the orange in this one. I say yes, go for it with the orange. And I understand there's only like there's only like 6 or 7 of the really bright orange ones. It's like just testing the waters a little bit, but I'm like, go in, do the whole thing orange. I love it so much. Next, we have a super fun strand of citrus sliced polymer clay trio mix here. So there's like 3 different styles, it looks like, and these are 4 by 8 to 9mm. These are 18-inch strand, and I work with polymer clay beads because I like doing stretch bracelets and, you know, youthful bracelets. And so these are really nice. They have an equal drill hole. Sometimes you'll have trouble with that with these polymer clay beads, but these are really nice. I love these so much. It's like such a nice little change up for Sam's bead box. Next up is a check glass 4-point Orion spacer, matte peridot gold, and this is a really unique finish, y'all. It is very unique because it's like, I don't know, it's very satiny, but it's got like a shimmer of gold, and it is a 4-point bead here, so just a nice little spacer to use throughout. Here's that color again. We have a check glass twist brio in white silk luster, 6 by 12mm, 16-piece strand, and you can actually see the color, the actual silk color on these rather than the little spacers. And these are super cute. I love the shape. They are twisted. I love the finish on them. They're not just a plain white. Sometimes the like chalk white color can be a little much for me. So having like the silk finish is so much better in my opinion. Next we have a summer citrus check glass bead mix in 22 grams here, and I just put them out into little trays so you can kind of get a feel for what we have. And I stinking love this color mix. Like, this is everything. I'm loving it so much. I would never have thought to put the opalescent green leaves in there, but I really think that makes this mix. And we've got some of those like coin beads. The coins to me give like a retro feel, again, kind of giving me into that like 70s vibes space. And again, with the little dimpled beads too. I love this mix so much. I can't wait. There's so much that you can do with like a little mix like this. Y'all, just wait. This is lemon and lime top drill. These are check glass, okay? Look. Yes, the bright yellow. This is like a neon. And if you guys, I think you've seen some of my hauls where I've gotten like the check glass lemon lime beads, whatever you want to call them. I have them in so many different colors. I love them so much, but I especially like these bright yellow ones. And per strand, when I get them in a mixed strand, they only put like 1 because they're like, oop, we don't want to put too many. But now I have multiple. Like, I can't wait. These are so cute. And this is a very like natural lime. We got you, we see you, girl. But the yellow, that's what we want. Next bag, we have check glass bead coins, sunflower yellow with copper wash, 12mm 2-piece set, and then a check glass carved star. The color varies, 18mm. All right. Oh, look at my star. My star is green. And you know what? I think I think Sam knew this month, you know, this box was coming to me. Of course, it needed to be green. Green's my favorite. But look how precious those little bees are. Every night with my toddler, you know, we have to do like the animals, the bugs, and I'm like, what sound does the bee make? And he's like, bzz, bzz, bzz. And it's just so cute. So these kind of remind me of him, and I love them. Look at this one, grapefruit slice. It's resin. It's 35 millimeters. There's one piece. And look at her. She's so cute. It's just like a glitter resin with just the white outlines, and it's gonna go so well with these. Look at that. It's perfect. It's perfect. I'm so excited. Look how cute that is. Look at our little carnelian carved lotus pendant. This is heated, 20 millimeters. And it says tone and thickness varies. Of course, mine's pretty thick. She's a thick girl. We love thick girls. Look, let me get a tray so you can see the color. I love a good carnelian. That is really beautiful. All right, so we have table cut hibiscus flowers. We have orange amber mix here. So Picasso and 14 to 16 millimeters. So we get one in this beautiful honey, like topaz color, and then two with a travertine finish on the edges and the middle. And these are super cute as well. You know, I love me a good check glass table cut flower. I have a whole box full of these guys. I love them. This one is a check glass hibiscus flower, etched honey gold. And y'all, these are very expensive beads. I buy these for kids down at my local bead shop, and they are, it says on here that it's a $2 bead. Yeah, if you're buying retail though, it's like, you know, close to $4 bead for this guy. At least in Colorado it is. So this is a very beautiful bead as well. It's not table cut, but you get that the whole vibe of the big puffy petals and that really pretty gold wash. For our bead weavers out there, we have a whole Miyuki 11-0 round seed bead golden glow mix, 5-gram tube here, and it looks like there's some missing because I put it out on a tray here. It looks like we have 3 different tones at least in there. So we have like a honey, we have a gold, and we have that white silk. And I mean, you know, you don't have to be a bead weaver to use seed beads, but I really do like when they include bead weaving components. As you know, I started out as a bead weaver and not a stringer, so I really love the option of being able to bead weave. We have a whole roll here of nylon cord. This is natural, and this is a 0.5 millimeter. And I can't wait to see what we can do with this because the tone of this one, this natural tone that they picked out, I think is perfect. They could have gone with the white, but I think it would have been a little bit too stark. And so using that natural, that's perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, and last up are our metal components, the small blossom charm, antique gold plate, and that's a tiara cast, and there's 2 pieces of those. And then we have a cursive heart charm gold plate, 16 millimeter, and those are made in Greece. So we are officially, you know, kind of transitioning to the Greece like metals. And I think didn't some companies in Greece like buy out tiara cast patterns, I think? I don't know. But these are so cute. They're very well made. These hearts, they look dainty, but they're very like stiff and like sturdy. So look at those. Okay, y'all. I can't this month because look how perfect this box is. I'm gonna let you know, Sam's bead box, #1 top in quality and quantity for the price that you get. Like, it's unmatched, right? But I think for the past few months especially, I feel like there's been some really, really safe themes, and I want to thank Sam's bead box for like really allowing Deb to kind of like step out, do something new, do something fresh and vibrant. And I really think it hit it out of the park. This is my favorite Sam's bead box ever. 100%. 100%. It has got my creative juices flowing. And I just want to just point out, like, here we have like these colors right here. It's like perfect for summer, right? And then if you remove these, then you got like, you're transitioning into fall, you know? So I think this is like a perfect bead box for now. Like this transition from summer, the hot days, you still got your popsicles and ice cream and all that, and then it's just transitioning into the fall. You got your little pumpkins, you got the like the really some of those muted tones. I love that so much. Again, I was talking about that 70s theme, and you know, this box speaks to me in many, many different ways, not just a singularly faceted box. There's so many different things that you can do with it, and I can't wait to start creating. But I just want to ask, like, Deb, hello? Are you my soul sister? Like, this box, you know, let's link up, you know, because this would have been a box that I would have made. I'm not saying, I'm not like bragging or anything, right? Like, because obviously you rocked it, right? But this is like it just speaks to me. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. Enjoy your Sam's bead box if you got it. I'm sure there are going to be some beautiful projects that come out of this box, and I hope everybody's staying safe and well, and happy Friday, y'all. I'll see you later. Bye.